So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you sick of paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro or Gemini Advanced? What if I could tell you that you could access all of these premium AI models completely for free in one single place? Today I'm showing you a completely legit method to get top-tier AI access without spending a single dime. Firstly, open your browser and head over to Yuppy.ai. This platform connects directly to the major AI companies, letting you bypass their expensive paywalls. Just go ahead and create a free account. The best part is that you do not need to enter any credit card information, use a VPN or deal with sketchy downloads. Just sign up with your email and you are instantly dropped into your new master dashboard. Now, once you are logged in, look for the Model Selector menu. Instead of being locked into just one AI ecosystem, you have total freedom. You can instantly switch between premium AI models like the latest GPT, Claude, or Google Gemini with just one click, depending on what your specific project needs. Now, after selecting your AI, you can now choose to either chat or generate. You can have deep conversations, write code, or draft essays just like you would on the paid website. If you need visuals, you can also use their generation tools to create high-quality AI images right there in the exact same window. So stop wasting your money on multiple subscriptions. If this tutorial helped you out today, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.